Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here at Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie today. I've got quite a treat for us all. This is a Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 with, this is really cool, an RS Tech belt drive system put on. Check that out. Baxter's has got the, they got the dealership for this. Check that out, isn't that cool? In the States. Good friend of mine, Steve, bought that kit and he put it on last night. He bought it the day before yesterday. Look at that belt. I can't remember what that's. Can't remember who makes the belt. It's Garrett belt or something like that. But so it's got a metal sprocket up here, steel, an aluminum sprocket in the rear that's been hardened, and then this super special belt that's supposed to last forever. I don't know where the kits are made, but isn't that neat? Just you roll the tire, and it just feels like nothing. You know, very much less resistance. A couple of guys, I have not rode this yet. A couple of the guys here have rode this, and they say it's just an absolutely smooth ride. Now, I own a Super Meteor myself, so I'm about to go take this for a ride, go get a camera, so I can take y'all with, and I may end up with one of these kits myself, right? So Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 with this beautiful belt drive on there. Okay, I'm going to put this camera up. We're going to get some equipment. Catch y'all in a minute. Wahoo. All right, y'all. We made our way to the mighty A-town, Atlantic, Iowa. What a bike this is. What a bike this is. He has got some really cool add-ons to this bike. We're here, of course, to talk about the belt drive, but I want to bring up this bike has forward controls, but he has added a set of mid pegs on this that actually fold. And we'll stop and look at that here in a little bit. He also has a heel toe shifter that he's added, a chrome engine bar system, very nice, little bag on the front, just all kinds of little extras, you know. A tire pressure monitoring system right here, little cruise control thing right here. All kinds of goodies, all kinds of goodies. There's probably more stuff, and we'll look for that here in a little bit. So how does the belt work? Well, it's very smooth. There's no chain sound, of course. All my bikes, except my Moto Guzzi, are chain drive. So I have to oil all my chains, and I do that regularly. This is a belt drive system, and I can't remember how long the belt's supposed to last. I think 50,000 miles or something like that. And no more oiling, you know, no more having to adjust it, you know, things like that. I think once you get them adjusted, they're good for life. The Super Meteor is a fabulous bike. It's got the windshield, the touring seat, the backrest. It's got the big old bags on the back, the Royal Enfield hard bags. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful product. Royal Enfield crash bars. He's got the wide foot pegs. I love that heel toe shifter. That is just great. I think I'm going to have to get one of those for my Super Meteor. I'm trying to drive through town to give that belt a test, and so far it's a winner for me. The guys at the shop all rode it, and they thought it was a heck of a deal too. Very smooth, very smooth. Excellent torque. I have to remember it has a heel toe shifter. This bike in stock form, it's a 650 parallel twin, air-cooled, oil-cooled, single overhead cam, 4-valve per cylinder. Puts out in stock form about 47 horsepower. Now this has the pipes on it, so it might have a little more. Has about 39 foot-pounds of torque. I think that's about 53 Newton meters. Boy, it shifts nice. I think that belt helps a little on that too. All that power goes through this wonderful 6-speed transmission. And I do mean wonderful. It's one of the best ones out there. The motor, the 650 engine, and the 6-speed transmission on the Royal Enfield is just kind of a work of art. They've got a kind of really good symbiotic relationship between the two things. They just, one makes the other work better. A fabulous cruising machine. This is exactly what the bike's built for right here. Looking good and cruising. This is celestial blue. Incredibly smooth. Very good sound. Shifts excellent. I like this a lot. I really do. It's going to be cleaner. If you're interested in a system like this, hey, let's have somebody pull out in front of us. Let's take it out on the highway and see how she does. You know, the mirrors seem smoother and clearer on this motorcycle. I wonder if that's because of the belt drive or... Beautiful night for a motorcycle ride. Very windy in Iowa today, and we're right in the middle of harvest season, so lots of grain trucks out there. There's one right over there now. Boy, this has a good ride. I think he has a YSS suspension on the back on this also. What a fabulous machine. I do believe I am sold on the belt drive system. I like the way it acts. I do like the bar risers he has on here also. Very nice ad. Welcome to the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa, home of Baxter Cycle, seller of new and used Royal Enfields, Triumphs, classic British bikes of every type. Right in front of us is the Derailed Grill, home of the Wahoo burger. Next time you're in the mighty metropolis, make sure you get in there and grab yourself one. Beautiful machine. I think the belt does add to that a lot. I've done videos on many of Steve's motorcycles because he does such a good job of fitting them out. You know, he's got a real eye for what goes together well. He's got that motorcycle eye. Look at this thing, handles like a dream. You know what, let me get the other camera out and I'll show you the bunch of other little extras he has on here. Hey, exhaust pipe alley. I like it. I like it a lot. Hey y'all, just got off this bike, absolutely loved it. I'm going to tell you what the belt is real quick because I got that wrong earlier. It's a Gates Gen 4 polycarbon GT belt. And check it out, it's blue just like the bike. I think that's a coincidence, but isn't that something? So it's smooth. I could tell the difference, and if it wasn't for the loud exhaust, I'm sure you could hear the difference. You know, it just had a really good feel. I really enjoyed riding that. I'm considering that for mine now. But you know, I promised I'd show you some of the other accessories on this bike. Check it out, Royal Enfield hard bags. They, you know, match the fenders. I mean, just a gorgeous thing. Little indent here for the blinker, you know, just, isn't that just really, it just fits the bike perfectly. AEW pipes, look at that. He's got the wide pegs on, not only on the front, but on the back. These are the pegs he added. They're extra low, they fold up, so now he's got forward controls, mid controls, and if he wants, he can put his feet back here on the back. That's a power thing, so you can plug your bike in when you're not right, tender plug in. Isn't that neat? And he made this system here himself, because couldn't find any to buy like that. Absolutely beautiful. Got the Royal Enfield crash bars right here. Of course, it's got the touring seat. I think it came with the touring seat and the backrest. And of course, he has this on the front, the windshield. I think it came with that too. He put these bar end weights on the end. He said it helped with vibration a lot. You know, when I was riding the bike, I was talking about how smooth the mirrors is. Maybe that's why it was another reason, you know, that it's the mirrors are so smooth. He's got these tire pressure monitoring systems on here. And it's just got everything, you know, a little bag on the front there. The heel toe shifter right here, isn't that something? He's got it all. I mean, this thing is really, really well done. Very, very nice motorcycle. He's got the bar risers up front here. I already talked about the TPS system, TPMS system, but look at that. It's much larger than the one I have on my bike. Looks like if you hit this lever here, it might pop off to recharge it. You know, mine is USB rechargeable. But just a really neat machine. I'm really I want to thank him for letting us ride that. That has been a privilege. The bike, and as it is without the belt drive, was something else already. But with that belt, wow, just wow, you know. Like, I own a Super Meteor, so maybe I'll have to get one myself. Now, if y'all are interested in anything like this, a brand new or used Royal Enfield Triumph, classic British bike of any type, need parts, accessories, thingamajiggies, doodads, any of the add-ons that he has on this motorcycle, anything at all. Jackets like this wonderful Explorer 3, Royal Enfield Explorer 3 jacket, gloves, helmets. The list goes on and on and on. Get yourself over here to Baxter Cycle in the mighty Minneapolis of Marnie, Iowa. While you're here, get a Wahoo burger. Or go to baxtercycle.com. Those guys ship everything, including, to most places, motorcycles. Give them a call if you're interested. And you know what? It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I've rode a lot of motorcycle. I got that one back today. I rode that one. I had my classic 350 out today. I think I'm going to, go get some ice cream, go for another ride. Life is good. Wahoo!